This year marks the 10th anniversary of the merger between Basics Inc. and Promesa Inc., now known as Acacia Network. Established several decades ago by pioneering young men and women from Puerto Rico, Acacia firmly believes it is imperative to honor their efforts by preserving the services they've offered underserved groups and the community at large. To this end, for the past 10 years, we have played a central role in nurturing and empowering these long-standing community-based organizations. As we've grown across all of our branches, from New York City into 6 states across the nation and Puerto Rico, our network continues to provide exceptional services to our communities. Over the past couple of years, we've been strengthening our infrastructure to move forward with our expansion. Acacia Network Housing is thriving as the largest provider of homeless services in New York City, offering families both shelter and a broad range of services across the network. We recently launched customized programming for 3 shelters in partnership with Loisaida, providing children with arts and wellness classes. After the success of the first Acacia Network Housing Summer Program in 2018, we launched a 2-week Kids Summer Program in 2019, serving 14 kids from 7 sheltered families. We are committed to improve the quality of life for all individuals experiencing homelessness. Our Social Services Division is operating at full capacity. This year, we've served 779 unique individuals, including 529 women, 125 children, and 29 veterans. Acacia Supportive Housing continues to operate as a gold star resource for the community. The division is running a pilot offering financial education and debt reduction support to strengthen community members' capacities for the new housing development lotteries across the city. Also, we were awarded the management of a New York 1515 scatter site serving 80 households. The project will allow us to integrate with Acacia Network housing services and ensure clients experiencing homelessness are placed in the new permanent housing program. Our educational programs continue to meet and exceed expectations, serving over 6,000 individuals through our daycares, DYCD, DOE, and fee-for-service programs. Promesa Daycare has full enrollment for this year and next year. Moreover, curricula were enhanced, including STEM programs. We also acquired a 3K preschool program classroom for our Undercliff site to serve an additional 15 3-year-old students. Through SEEDCO, we've served over 6,000 participants since the beginning of the year. From New York to Tennessee, Maryland, Georgia, Connecticut, and our newest site in Arkansas, our workforce development programs are reaching those most in need. We are especially focused on individuals who've gone through the criminal justice system. Our pilot program, Strong Fathers, Stronger Families at Acacia Network Housing Shelters, is offering training on responsible fatherhood, healthy relationships, and economic stability. In order to strengthen our outreach, SEEDCO launched its new website in April of 2019. Our rapidly growing upstate division is serving over 3,000 clients and has become a leader in behavioral health across the region. We've been conditionally licensed to open a chemical dependency outpatient program and an opioid treatment program for 500 clients in Dunkirk. We want to congratulate La Liga for their 50 years of service to the Latino community and their 1-year affiliation with Acacia Network. In primary healthcare, we've had nearly 12,000 unique patients visit our clinics and over 30,000 billable visits this year to date. We continue committed to increasing the number of people served, as well as connecting all clients throughout the network with our primary care services. Likewise, we have expanded community engagement activities and external representation through Ramon Vélez and La Casa de Salud. During 2 back-to-school events with over 300 participants, we provided school supplies, dental screenings, mammograms, BPs, and physicals. Our quality-driven healthcare division has focused on recruitment to provide better care, better outcomes, and lower costs. The Behavioral Health Division is at 97% capacity, with more than 500,000 visits to date this year, served by a team of 592 members. Medication-assisted treatment programs that drive our service portfolio use evidence-based practices. Our excellent team of providers have driven quality outcomes throughout the MATs. Skilled Nursing Facility. We are pleased to share the many successes of Casa Promesa, which remains a 5-star rated skilled nursing facility for the 11th year in a row. Casa Promesa has effectively decreased unnecessary outpatient transfers to the hospital by treating residents in-house. It has also exceeded state and federal standards in HIV suppression rates. We continue to strengthen community relations and increase our visibility by participating in external events and activities. In our affordable housing portfolio, we are pleased to announce that Palacio Dorado in Puerto Rico is providing 103 affordable housing units for seniors 62 years and older. The grand opening event in November 2018 and the ribbon cutting in April 2019 showcases this extraordinary achievement. Also, up to 179 units at Acacia Gardens were leased to families who were mainly formerly homeless clients in the heart of the East Harlem community. We are proud to announce the closing of 3 projects this year. Sendero Verde, the NYCHA RAD project in Brooklyn and Virginia House, on which we've already started construction. Loisaida Center, our cultural arm, has provided significant resources for the arts in New York and Puerto Rico this past year through our exchange program, bringing artists from Puerto Rico throughout the year to showcase their talent, and our Artist in Residence program to shine a light on new artists. Loisaida also celebrated its 33rd annual Loisaida Festival, highlighting the launch of its Media and Technology Center, which will include Media Arts, Tech Center, Learning Lab, Makerspace, Fab Lab, and a teaching kitchen. Our Institute for Puerto Rican and Hispanic Elderly serves more than 1,200 seniors a day across 6 centers throughout the city. From acting classes to performances and special events, we provide greater quality of life for mature adults aged 60 and over. We recently hosted a successful Seniors Beauty in Aging conference with more than 800 seniors. We are one of the leading partners of the Bronx Opioid Collective, looking for long-term solutions to end this epidemic in our community. In collaboration with over 20 local organizations, we hosted 2 community summits for more than 200 individuals and policymakers. A blueprint for action has been laid out, and we are now piloting street outreach efforts in St. Mary's Park and Patterson Playground in the Bronx. An additional $300K in City Council funds were awarded to us to continue this crucial work. This year, our Julio Martinez Memorial Fund Breakfast, Annual Gala, and Loisaida Festival raised over $1 million to support our programs. Quality and integration have been the key themes for sustainability across the network. The network has focused on integrating our divisions to provide clients with a continuum of care through access to services such as primary care, mental health, workforce education, housing, substance abuse, health homes, transportation, and food services. Acacia Network is committed to our staff's professional development and growth. The network has supported senior vice presidents in attending Cornell, Harvard, and Columbia, amongst other conferences, to increase their capabilities through access to education and training opportunities. Last but not least, we continue to support our beloved island of Puerto Rico through our Ayuda Puerto Rico Fund. We are now working on long-term solutions such as resilient, affordable housing and healthcare programming for those that have been most affected by recent events. We've hosted 5 health fairs in collaboration with Salud Integral en la Montaña in Puerto Rico. We have 103 entities located across 7 states and Puerto Rico, running 78 programs, serving over 180,000 individuals, employing nearly 2,500 individuals.
Acacia Network has been rooted in the community since 1969, but the work has not been done alone. I want to thank our executive team for leading their divisions. I want to thank our partners, the city agencies, the state agencies, federal agency, for supporting us and believing in us. And especially I want to thank the board of directors. Every day we labor out in the community to make sure that the clients, the most important part of our work, get taken care of. A work like this doesn't get done alone. It's done by the staff and their heart and soul they put into it every day. I want to thank you all for being here today and supporting the Acacia Network. Thank you.